Hi, and thanks for choosing to watch this SalesLogix video on working with assets within SalesLogix. Assets in SalesLogix allow you to record items that you have sold to a customer and show them as an asset, or you may want to record assets that a customer already has, as you may be providing maintenance cover on those assets. For this piece of the functionality to work, the item has to be recorded in the database as a product, so it can be selected as an asset. In another SalesLogix video, Closing an Opportunity, we saw how we can record sold products as assets in SalesLogix. So looking at Benefits Cable, we can see our entry for the assets we chose to list, in this case 10 Lenovo ThinkPads. If we highlight and right-click, we can perform some actions including opening the asset for editing. If just recording the fact that a customer has a number of assets looked after by one person, you can fill the information in on this screen and click OK. However, you may want to assign a serial number to each one. In this case, click on the Assign Serial Number hyperlink and the assets get broken down to individual line items, and you can input the serial numbers as required and then click OK. You can now fill in additional information that is common to all the assets. Then click OK, and the assets are now listed as separate line items which can be opened for editing or deleted as required using the right-click functionality. You can also add additional assets from the Assets tab. Let's suppose we also want to record that this company has 5 Fujitsu laptops. Right-click and choose Insert New Asset. Click the name magnifying glass and look up the Fujitsu product in the normal way. Highlight and click OK. Enter the quantity, and then notice that you could assign serial numbers as done previously at this stage, or you could come back at a later stage and assign serial numbers as required. You can associate with a different contact if required, and also fill in additional information. Remember that there's always a contextual help to remind you how to do things. Click OK and you'll see the assets stored under the account. Finally, you may need to quickly print out or save a list of a company's assets, if, say, you're going to the company to do an audit of the products. Simply right-click and select Export to Excel, and the assets are quickly laid out in an Excel spreadsheet that you can save. That pretty much covers everything you need to know about assets. Remember to always consult the help files if you have any problems, but in the meantime, thanks for watching this SalesLogix production.